Alright, this is definitely not the video that I was planning to make today. This is not clickbait, boys. I'm sick. I got really sick. Actually, I can take off the mask. The reason why I'm wearing a mask is because my son, and I just don't want to expose him to this virus, right? So, long story short, you guys know we launched the giveaway last week. And everything was going smooth. I had planned to make videos, especially on truck content, because I need to get my truck ready to go. My truck is not actually, I cannot even drive it, just to give you an idea. So if I get tired, just bear with me. It's just because I feel really tired. I'm gonna talk about the, what I'm feeling and how it's going so far, but I just want to give you guys an explanation. But anyway, we launched the giveaway, and I had planned to make videos almost every day or every other day about the truck. I was super excited about it. I got new brakes, new cold air intake. I bought a new jack for so it's gonna happen at some point once I get better and I can do all this stuff. It doesn't really matter if it's cold outside or not. I'm still gonna do it. And but then we launched the giveaway on Friday, and I test positive for COVID on Saturday morning. I'm actually not going anywhere the last 2 weeks. So if you guys know, I play guitar at church, and that week I was supposed to serve. I serve once a month, twice a month, depends on my schedule. And we had practice on Wednesday, and Friday morning somebody from the worship team tested positive. I didn't have any contact with that person, but who knows. So I wasn't feeling well Friday morning, but I was so focused on the giveaway and get everything done, the website, the posts and everything, and make sure that we got the giveaway piece here, so that I wasn't feeling well, but I was like, it's just I'm tired. But Saturday morning got worse and I test positive. I'm feeling well as far as I'm concerned. I don't taste anything, I don't smell anything. Today it's Tuesday, so it has been like 4 days almost. Yesterday was the worst day. I feel super tired. As I said, like if I talk too much or if I walk, I feel like I ran a marathon or something like that. But besides that, I'm doing fine. Thank you everybody who reached me out through Instagram or text message if you have my contact. But I just want to make sure you guys know what's going on, why we're not gonna see a video up here. And also I was planning to push a lot on the giveaway, because as I said, this is the highest multiplier that we're gonna have in our company. My wife is working with me now, so she putting her heart and soul on this. So the plan was to get the giveaway and put the videos out there and let you guys know this is the best chance for you to win the GoPro and the drone. Actually, GoPro is here. I didn't show that much on the first video, but it's here. It's a bundle, comes with a bunch of things like a tripod. This one here is a magnet though. You can attach to your car or to your truck, and an extra battery, and also SD card. The SD card is actually was here, but it comes with SD card too. And the drone. This is my drone, right? This is how small this drone is. I'll try to flip here so you can see how small it is. That's how small the drone is. And this is the brand new one that you're gonna get it. So whoever wins is gonna get both. And right now it's 15-time entries for every dollar you spend. I'm wearing the shirt here. I think you guys can see. Also the hats. We have a bunch of stuff there though. As I said, me and my wife, we put our hearts and soul on this website. It was really something we are passionate about it. And just to motivate you guys to get the merch, we are throwing good stuff here though. I think this combo here, it's almost $1,000, and it's everything you need to make good videos or record time with your family and so on and so forth. So I just want to make sure you guys are aware, because I don't know how many videos I can post until Friday midnight when the 15 times entry ends. The giveaway goes until Christmas though, but now it's the best time for you to buy, so I just want to make sure you guys know it. Again, this drone is, look, you can put in your pocket, right? And if you are local, or even if you win, I'll give you my contact. I can show you how to fly. It's very simple. This thing basically fly by itself. But I just want to give you guys an update on my situation and why you are not seeing a video, because it has been a tough 4 days though. I'm take care. It's a really tough time because I'm trying to avoid to stay close to my son, and that puts a lot of stuff on my wife. Honey, if you are watching, thank you so much for taking care of her son and all the house stuff. I'm still working, but unfortunately YouTube has to wait a little bit, and I'm so sad my truck is sitting outside. I didn't get a chance to do the things that I want to do, but I hope you guys understand, right? And if you can help the channel by subscribing and liking, and I have a bunch of projects, a bunch of stuff that it's gonna happen. Of course, we gotta have the giveaway. If you want an entry, if you want to buy something, you also help a lot the channel. I think it's the best way to give both ways. You guys help me and I'll help you guys. So I really appreciate it if you can help more than just give a like. If you cannot buy, I understand. Just give me a like and so on and so forth, because I don't know what's going on, but my channel has been froze for a while. I don't want to complain. I don't want to say that YouTube is making something. I just want to do what I can do, which is asking you guys to subscribe and like, and if you can buy a merch, I will also appreciate that too, like from the bottom of my heart. And it's funny because when you get sick, you really start looking things different, right? I'm fine though. I think I'm gonna be fine in the next like 7 days, 2 weeks. Of course, you guys gonna know. I'll keep you guys posted. But it's really tough. It's really tough. But I just want to make sure you guys know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to post another video this week. So mainly for the truck content, because a lot of people, and I was missing truck content too. As you guys can see, I'm getting tired. Again, I'm fine. I don't smell anything. I don't taste anything, and I just feel tired. But yesterday was the worst time, the last 4 days, because I had a fever and everything else. But I should be fine for the next 2 days. I'll keep you guys posted as much as I can. All right. So again, sorry, this is not the kind of video I would like to do, but unfortunately it's the video I have to make. So I hope you guys understand, and I'll see you guys the next one. Please keep me in your prayers, me and my family. I really appreciate it. And if you can support the channel by liking, subscribe, and buy the merch, that means a lot. Link in the description below. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you soon. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.